what it is, family. Today we're going to be showing you how Ming does my hair. It's been rough trying to figure out how to style and profile during quarantine. My stylist closed due to COVID-19. Even my barber moved back to his hometown due to COVID-19. This left me in a very tough situation, but Ming always got my back, or should I say head. Here you can see Ming is in the process of parting my hair from my Travis Scott inspired braids. First she parts it down the middle, so there's two even sections. Then she parts it in those pieces into halves. Both these smell really good and work really well with my hair. Ming uses these clips in my hair to keep my ends from curling up when drying. The products that Ming will be using in my hair includes Cantu Styling Gel and Miss Jessie's Multicultural Cream. Both these smell really good and work really well with my hair. Now that the first half of my head is done, Ming will be moving to the other half. At this point, I am hungry and all I can think about is food. Also, Ming did 2 strands and individuals on herself. So if you haven't watched those videos, the link is in the description below. Finally, we are done. All I can say is these braids. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you all for watching. And don't forget to tune in next time.